Hi, I'm Amanda, the Chica Travelista, travel blogger and owner of Travelista Travels. Today, I'm gonna take you on an adventure, so buckle up and let's go. Traveling internationally is an exciting and enriching experience, but it requires careful planning and preparation. Here are the 5 essential items to have when traveling internationally. 1. Valid passport and necessary visas. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned return date. Also, check visa requirements for your destination and apply well in advance if needed. 2. Travel insurance. Purchase comprehensive travel insurance that covers medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost luggage, and other potential issues. 3. Local currency and payment methods. Carry a mix of local currency for small purchases and credit debit cards for larger transactions. Notify your bank of your travel plans to avoid any issues with card transactions. 4. Health and safety essentials. Pack any necessary medications and some just-in-case medications as well. 5. Proper outlet converters. The wall outlets and sockets are shaped differently all over the world, so make sure to research and purchase whatever adapter you need for your destination. These essentials will help ensure a smoother and safer international travel experience. I hope you had as much fun as I did. I'm the Chica Travelista, and I'll see you soon for another adventure.